This time we are vectorizing a very simple logo just to show you how you can use guidelines in Graphic Tracer. When the bitmap has been converted into vector graphics, we will activate the node editing tool by selecting the Adjust Shapes mode in the top bar. As you can see, some of the lines are green and some lines have a red contour. When doing node editing in Graphic Tracer, straight lines are green and curves are red, so that you easily can tell them apart. The first thing we will do here is to turn the round object into a perfect circle. This means that we will click the Replace Objects button at the top to access the tools which can fix common shapes with a click. Then we select the Convert to Circle tool and simply click inside the circle. The black dot is now perfectly round. Then we return to Adjust Shapes to fix the two angled bars. Simply double-click to convert curves into straight lines. They immediately turn green, which indicates that they are now straight. At the top, you can see that one of the lines are a bit bolder. This means that it is absolutely horizontal. To fix the top line of the right object, we select it by clicking it. A black dot indicates that the line is selected. Now we can use the right-click menu to see which options are available. There, we select the Convert to Horizontal Line option. To the right in the menu, you can also see that you can use the shortcut key H to quickly turn a selected line or curve into a perfectly horizontal line. As you can see, the line became a bit bolder to indicate that it is now horizontal. Another nice thing is that when you make lines horizontal or vertical, Graphic Tracer checks for other lines in the image. And if another line is almost at the exact same height, it will place the newly converted line on the exact same height as existing lines. They become aligned without you having to think about it. At the bottom, you can see that a corner has two nodes. We can select them and ask Graphic Tracer to calculate the corner for us by clicking Convert into a corner. We then do the same thing to the left bar. Now we only need to make sure that the bars are parallel, and we will do that using guidelines. Click the View button above the drawing surface. To the left, you will now find different guideline options. We select Angled Guideline and then click and drag a line along a line that we will use as a reference. When you have placed an angled guideline, you can simply click in the image to place more lines with the same angle. If the position isn't perfect, you can zoom in and click and drag to adjust the position. Then deactivate the guideline tool and move the nodes so that they become positioned on the guideline. By pressing Ctrl when moving, the horizontal line will remain horizontal. When all 8 corners have been adjusted, the lines are all absolutely parallel, and the graphics is now ready for production.